What is up, party people? Welcome back. Today I'm very excited because we are going to unbox character kit number 7 from Tokyo Pen Shop. Couple disclaimers before we start, or I think the only disclaimer is I apologize if I sound a little stuffy and if I seem like I'm short of breath. I am sick and it's a little disappointing, but I thought that this might make me feel a little bit better, so we're going to unbox this today. I've never purchased a character kit from Tokyo Pen Shop, but as I mentioned, this is character kit number 7, which means that there have previously been 6, and I think out of those 6, I've watched 3 unboxings that are actually on Tokyo Pen Shop's channel, and based off of those videos I decided that I would go ahead and pick one up for myself. So if you're unfamiliar with the character kits, it's basically like a mystery box, and I believe you get 6 to 8 items for $35, and that's with free shipping, I believe. So I have no idea what is in here, but as you can see, it's already been opened. My husband mistakenly started to unbox it, and then I had to stop him because he didn't realize that it was addressed to me. So without droning on any further, let's open it up. All right, so the paper on top, I believe, is a description of what's in the box, but I want to be surprised. There's a little haichu in green apple, and then I also got another Tokyo Pen Shop 10-year anniversary sticker. I love this washi tape. I don't know if it's on their site, but I want to preserve it if possible. And if you haven't already seen, I posted a Tokyo Pen Shop haul video, or at least it should be up on my channel. So if you want to see what I got that's available on their website to purchase, feel free to click in the description box. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So the first thing that caught my eye was this cute little minion notepad. And it says hello. Oh, I'm sorry, it says bello friend. That is so cute. There's 2 designs, it looks like, just for like little notes and stuff. That is really cute. I like that a lot. Okay, and there is some Arial washi tape, and that's kind of cool. There's like constellations on the packaging. I'm not the biggest fan of Arial, but that is really cute. I am a fan of Disney. I will definitely make good use of that. I am so stuffy that I don't even remember if I mentioned it already, but if I haven't, I believe when they put together their character kits, it is comprised of items that are not available or listed on their website. These are items that they pull specifically for the character kits. Oh, okay, this is a friction stamp. It's a little Pooh Bear stamp. That is so cute. Let me grab my notebook and we can try it out. We'll do some swatches. Okay. Oh, that's so cute. Kind of smushed it there. Let's see if it actually erases. I believe this part around the stamp we should be able to erase. We're a little off center, but it erases just fine. I'm not putting too much pressure because I don't want to shake the camera. All right, so the next thing that catches my eye is this cute little Pooh Bear Uniball RE pen. And I did pick up the Mickey Pastel Trio that's available on their site, and I showed those in my previous Tokyo Pen Shop haul, so you can take a look. But we will go ahead and swatch this here. So it is in the color Off Black, and I really like that this one came with a Mickey hat as well. And you just pull this off to expose the eraser to erase any of the ink that you want. Well, not, just any ink, but the Uniball RE ink you can erase. The next thing is this cute Pentel Energel Rilakuma pen, or Rilakuma. I'm not too familiar with this character. I have seen it before, but if you could shed any light on him or her or it, that would be fantastic. I am familiar with the Pentel Energel line, but I've never had a pen like this that looks so gosh darn cute. Sorry, I was having trouble taking off the stopper. This seems to be in what size? Oh, sorry, it says right there, 0.5. Sorry, I just wanted to go back in and put that for reference. But here is the Pentel Energel Rilakuma. I have to admit, I'm not the biggest fan of the Pentel Energel barrel style, but because this has such a cute print on it, I think I have to say that I am a fan. Oh my gosh, so I didn't even see this. I'm so excited. So I got another Uniball RE, but this one is with Donald Duck, and it looks like Chip and Dale are peeping out of his hat. This is most likely going to have the same off black ink that the Pooh Bear barrel did, but let's go ahead and swatch it. And as I demonstrated with the Pooh Bear pen, the Uniball RE does have an erasable component under that little Mickey cap, specifically for this Disney design. That is so cute. I'm so excited to have another Disney Uniball RE. I feel like it's really hard to share how excited I am because I am so stuffy, but this is definitely making me feel a lot better. All right, so the next thing is this Pilot Friction, I believe it's a highlighter, and it has Minnie and Mickey all around the barrel. I'm so excited that there are quite a few Disney products in here because I am a Disney fan. And we'll go ahead and swatch this for you. But if you're not familiar with the Pilot Friction line, there is also an eraser. So the last writing utensil is a Rilakuma name marker, I think these are called. It's most relatable to a Sharpie, and it's so cute. It just says, Rilakuma feels happy every day. Yeah, it definitely has that Sharpie feel when I use it to write. I actually really like this pen though. Okay, the last thing that we have in here is a ticket file, and it says Fluffadelic Funland. That is really cute. And it's got Minions, win a fluffy prize, yours forever. That's so cute. That's going to be it for this Tokyo Pen Shop Character Kit number 7 unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun filming this, and if you want to check out more videos like this, I will have it linked off in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.